It works. It works. If you have anybody, if you know anybody who have COVID, who have fever, who have any kind of infection, stay here. We're going to be talking about how to come up with this amazing super drink to boost up your immunity. Hello guys, thank you guys so much for coming back. If this is your first time, consider clicking the red button and also put on the notification bell so you don't miss any of my videos. Today I am making with you guys one of the amazing recipe to boost up your immune system. As a matter of fact, I made this juice to a family member who was COVID-19 positive, and it really worked magic on him. Please, disclaimer, I'm not here to tell you guys that this is a medication for COVID. I don't want to be Stella Emmanuel, but if you have flu symptoms, if you're looking to detoxify yourself, if you're looking to get rid of any inflammation in any part of your body, consider staying here and watching this video till the end, because you don't know who you might want to share this video with. Yes, we have come across so many juice and drinks and stuff like that, but this is a special one. So to get started, I have pineapple. Pineapple is all washed. Make sure you get pineapple that is almost overly ripe. We will be using the skin of the pineapple. Yes, so this pineapple. So, and also ensure that you are using organic. So we will use the pineapple skin, cut off, and when you're cutting off the pineapple skin, endeavor to make sure that you have some flesh in the inner part corner of the pineapple skin. So I will put the pineapple skin in here. The next thing we need is ginger. Ensure that you have an awesome amount of ginger. The more the merrier. So I have some diced ginger here without the skin. I also have this. I will use half with the skin and half without the skin, and don't ask me why, because this is something that worked for me and worked for family member. So put some ginger. The next thing you need is thyme, fresh thyme. Please do not use dry thyme. I have enough thyme here. I'll put some thyme. The next thing we're going to be using is fresh turmeric. Again, ensure yourself that you are using fresh turmeric. Please do not use that turmeric powder. Again, make sure you are using organic. Everything that you're going to use in this drink is solely and pure organic products. So with the turmeric, you need to take out the skin of the turmeric. Turmeric is a powerful anti-inflammatory. Yes, takes off all the inflammation in any part of your body. So again, I am just using enough to go with the skin of the pineapple. At this time, I am going to chop blend it to the finest consistency. So I will mix it with some of the ginger. I'm going to add it into the pot. So when you have added these three in the pot, you want to pour some boiling water. You're going to put it on top of the stove. I have other things to add to this drink. We will be adding some lemon and garlic. But the first thing you want to do is to cook whatever is in this pot in a very low temperature. Because the more you cook lemon and ginger, the more you destroy the vitamin C. So you first of all want to bring this to boil on a very low heat. So I cooked this for about 10 minutes because remember I added some hot water that made it very easy and quicker and faster to get to boil. So at this time I am going to turn down the stove. So when you bring this off of the stove, you want to add your lemon. This is 1 full lemon. Add the lemon, and I have 1 medium garlic clove here. You want to chop your garlic clove. Please do not use garlic powder. Use fresh organic garlic, fresh lemon, organic. Remember to keep everything fresh and organic, no dry. We're not talking about dry cucumber. We're not talking about dry garlic or dry turmeric. Everything has to be fresh. So after you chop this, you want to add it into the drink. Fresh. And you add it up into the pot, it is time for you to cover this up. So you want to cover it up and you want to wait until it gets to room temperature, which means it is ready to be consumed. So this is it in here. You are going to wait until it gets into the room temperature consistency, until the temperature gets warm, to make it easier for you to consume. Ooh. So at this time the drink has come to room temperature and it is ready to be served. And also, if you just want to have a little bit of taste, you can add honey to this, but for me I prefer to drink it the way it is. However, it's recommended that you drink this pot in 2 days. So make them fresh, but leave it in the pot overnight so that all the things inside the pot will immerse. So the water, so leave it inside the pot till the next day and drink it the next 2 or 3 days. Warm it up when you want to drink that, but do not overwarm because of the garlic and the lemon. After 3 days, make yourself some fresh ones. So guys, thank you for your time and thank you for watching. I love you guys. Bye.